Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 0 of Python for AI Roadmap series. I'm Mahesh. I'm really excited to guide you on this journey. Let me introduce myself. I'm a technical trainer and mentor for around 3 years, and I like breaking down complex topics to make it simple for learners. My goal is to make this series as engaging and practical as possible so that you can confidently apply what you will learn. On the technical side, I have experience in working with Python, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence over the years. I have helped people and teams to build AI driven solutions to tackle real world challenges using Python and AI. With deep understanding of these technologies and a strong focus on hands on learning, I can ensure that you'll be getting most out of this series. Whether you're an absolute beginner or someone looking for upskill your Python skills, this series is designed for you. In this episode, I'll walk you through what is this series about, what you will learn, and how to prepare for upcoming weeks ahead. So grab a notebook, take a notes. Let's start, and all the resources will be included in the description. So first thing, why we are focusing on Python for AI, right? So Python is the first programming language, or it's a go-to language for artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning solutions or projects, right? So it's a beginner friendly, very versatile, and comes with a huge ecosystem of libraries and frameworks specifically designed for AI like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, Numpy, Pandas. Plus Python's simple syntax allows you to focus more on solving problems rather than writing very complex codes, right? In this course, I will take you from zero to hero, covering everything from Python basics to advanced concepts. By end of this series, you'll not be only comfortable with Python but also equipped with building real world Python projects. Sounds exciting, right? Let's explore the roadmap. This series is carefully structured into 5 weeks, each focusing on important aspects of Python for AI. Right? So in the week 1, we're going to cover Python basics and environment setup. So we'll start from scratch. We'll learn that what makes Python unique for AI, then introduction to Python, and here is the link to the video. If you click on the icon, you'll be getting the link for the correspondent video, YouTube video. You can just copy this link and open a new browser, just paste it. You'll be redirected to the correspondent YouTube video. The link for this roadmap will be provided in the description. So please save it for the future reference. Whenever I upload a new video to this playlist, I'll include this link for the respective topic. You can always refer back to it. So next. So we are going to move into installation of Python and setting up the environment for the development. Next, we are going to master the essential basic concepts like syntax, variables, and data types. Fine. And control flow statements like if, else, and then loops like for loops as well as while loops. Then we are going to cover, or we are going to explore more about functions, types of functions, lambda expressions, and Python modules, right? In week 2, we are going to cover data structures and file handling. So next we'll move to work with the file operations like read, write, and manipulating data. So we are going to see different type of examples like CSV file, JSON file, Excel file, and a text file, all these things, right? So next we are going to explore in depth about core data structures like list, tuple, dictionary, and sets. And again, we are going to learn more about list comprehension and dictionary comprehension to write clean and compact code. Next, we are going to learn debugging and handling exception in Python. So in the week 3, we are going to explore more about like Python for data manipulation. We'll focus on working with data. We'll see here, we are going to master power of Pandas, data frame and series, and advanced indexing. Next, we are going to learn how to group, merge, and aggregate data sets effortlessly, right? So then we are going to learn about the Numpy for numerical operations, creating arrays, slicing the arrays, as well as manipulating, as well as broadcasting. And again, we are going to do the practical implementation of what and all things we have been learned, like doing data cleaning and pre-processing techniques for preparing the data sets for a project. In the week 4, we are going to learn about data visualization and EDA part, that is exploratory data analysis. So in this week, we'll bring your data to life by creating stunning visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn libraries, by building interactive charts with Plotly, and conduct exploratory data analysis to understand the patterns, trends, and derive the insights to managers. For example, if you're working in a real-time in an industry, right, at that point of time, you'll be doing a EDA project to understand the data. You'll be creating the insights so that you'll be representing, or you'll be creating a dashboard to the stakeholders, to the manager, to understand the data. Fine. Next, in the week 5, we are going to learn about Python for machine learning basics. So finally, we are going to implement all the learning together to understand the fundamentals of machine learning and its types, like what is supervised and unsupervised machine learning. And we are going to learn about different types of machine learning, that is whether it is supervised or unsupervised, right? And again, we are going to learn different types of supervised machine learning, like different types of algorithms, like regression and classification algorithms and its types. Then we are going to do a EDA project with real-time use case and one end-to-end learning project, right? So by applying all the concepts you have learned, so by end of this roadmap, you'll be ready for interview, right? So what I'm requesting is, please do watch the video without skipping the content or topics, so that you'll be ready for the interview. Fine. Next. So to help you along the way, I have included some fantastic resources, books like Python Crash Course and Hands-on Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Python for data analysis, and I strongly recommend you all to go through the documentation of Python and libraries like Numpy, Pandas, and Scikit-learn, because you'll be having a lot of information which is not available, or which is not covered in this tutorial as well, right? Then we are going to see the software requirements. You should be having a Windows PC and you should be installing Python version 3.8 or later. I'm going to show you the installation part as well. And I strongly suggest you to install VS Code or use Google Colab, or install or pip install Jupyter Notebook, right? Next, we are going to learn the libraries like Pandas, Numpy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, and again we are going to see about Flask as well as Streamlit as well, right? So in the next episode, we'll start off with Python basics. We'll install Python, set up your development environment, write your first Python program, get ready for learning the topics in upcoming videos. It's going to be a fun and hands-on session, right? So thank you for watching the episode 0 of Python for AI Roadmap series. If you're excited about this journey, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to add to this playlist, drop them in the comment below. See you in the next episode. Until then, happy coding.